Sean. Welcome everyone to this Cat's Cradle show at the Players Theater. Thank you for coming out on a Friday night in the sweltering hot summer. It is really exciting to be here. We're gonna do our signature form, the Cat's Cradle. That's what signature is. That isn't what signature is. But first, we want to get to know y'all a little bit. And the only way that we can do that with the kind of psychedelia that we kind of get involved with on this stage is by asking you about your dreams. So, I'd like to know if anyone has had a kind of compelling or interesting dream that they really remember, like in the last week or so. Anything, or any time, but like anything that pops out, like, oh, I really remember that. Anybody? Oh, we got one. Oh, yes.
Okay, so I don't think when I woke up and I felt like sleep. I was walking, it was in New York City, Logan Street, and there's like a catbird, like a mockingbird was attacking the one in front of me, and then it got me, like I felt it like touch my arm. She was we went down in the subway, and there were like 3 or 4 gentlemen like laying in front of the turnstile. Like Stephen King, like style people, if you're familiar with it, like really just fundamentally creepy guys. And as soon as we got to the turnstile, they were running and like reaching towards us. And so, shit, yeah.
This is intense.
Turned around and walked out, and the woman who had also got the back of the person next to me, and they were like coming, they were like kind of surrounding us up here, and making a lot of noise.
Wow, incredible. There's a lot there. Would you mind coming up on stage and just getting a little bit more detail about that? Have an interview with that? Sure. I'm Chris, by the way.
Colin.
We have to shake the mic. So this dream, were you reading a lot of Stephen King?
No, I read a lot as a probably too young child.
Got it.
Okay. Not so much this time,
Is this something that you feel like there was some stress that was like coming out in this dream?
Maybe no. Yeah, I mean, not. I could draw conclusions about how some subway stations are.
Right.
But that's not something I'm like actively learning.
Right.
Sorry, did you say catbird? That's what I heard.
Like the kind of bird that attacks cats.
Whoa.
Very sassy.
Not like a half bird, half cat.
No, it was like a bird.
Like
You did say catbird.
Yeah, catbird. That's fair. Got a place like this, we need
You
to
said
specify.
sassy and loud?
Yeah.
With
Yeah.
a hand that attacks cats.
Like they're not going to leave you.
Okay.
Like territory. This bird attacked the cat of mine when I was a child. Like in the front yard. Like it was just dive bombing my cat who was laying there.
And you were traumatized.
So in the subway, there's these figures they're all surrounding you, right?
Yeah.
They're all around there. Was it just you down there, or were you surrounded? Or
There was a woman. I remember there being a woman next to me, which I think maybe it was the woman who I'd seen the bird attacking. Like maybe she went down. I don't remember, changes in your head later, but yeah, I know there's a woman next to me. I don't remember like knowing her.
Right. It wasn't someone you knew from like just like a
No.
dream person.
Yeah. She was like kind of busy seeing things.
Was she reacting at all? Or was she just like?
She was pretty dumb.
Can I ask a question? Did you know you were dreaming?
I don't think I did, because it was one of like when I woke up, it was like I was hungover. It was like it messed with my head.
You were hungover from your dream.
It felt, yeah, like it was like in my head. Like I very much like woke up and just got up and
Follow up. Do you ever remember?
yeah.
Do you ever
While you were dreaming, or do you had a lucid dream?
I had never been able to control it, but there are times where it's like something's happening, and then I'm like, oh wait, it's a dream. It's fine. And then like the dream, like, God, that didn't happen.
No, there was never a "this is fine." Yeah. So is there when you had this dream and like then you woke up feeling like this hungover feeling, did that like mess with the rest of your day? Did you have to like process that somehow?
It took me like 20 minutes to kind of be like normal weight. Which for me feels like a lower bar than other people to begin with. So.
So have you read any Stephen King since having that dream?
Oh
Has
no,
that put you
this
off?
is literally like 2 days.
Oh.
I'm reading Jane Eyre right now.
Yeah. So maybe in as you said you read Stephen King as a child and reading Jane Eyre now in another 20 years or whatever you'll have Jane Eyre. Well, anyway, thank you so much. All right, now we're going to do some warm-up scenes, loosely inspired by that dream.
Hi kids, story time. Today's book is going to be Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Chapter 1. Some high school kids just wanted to have a fun summer. Who here has friends in high school or older siblings in high school?
My brother's in high school.
Yeah, you could have been one of these kids.
He's going on a trip to Texas.
Stop it. Okay. Yeah, as we're reading the book, let's try to connect it to our lives.
Mrs. Pendleton, it's so scary.
Excuse me. Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Okay. Is anybody else afraid of this book? No, I'm not a wimp.
Yeah, we're in 5th grade now, okay? It's time to grow up.
All right. You're trying to be brave.
Okay, well, back to the story.
Yeah.
Okay. Four high school teens. Oh, was one of them a hot virgin blonde woman? Probably. There's no photos. I don't know why I'm even showing you. It's just text. So this is how you do story time. Anyway, there was a lot of sexual tension between Sam and Rudy.
Oh, Mrs. Pendleton, that's bad. We're talking about
I'm sorry. Do you think that is it these two adult themes for 5th grade? It's almost like I'm treating you younger than you are by giving you story time at the same time as treating you older.
Wow, way to ruin story time.
I was excited to hear about sexual tension.
all right.
You know what? Let's show you.
Hi, welcome to Subway. You get to choose a bread, you get to choose a protein, you get to choose your vegetables.
I'm not a real guy.
Sorry, sir, he's still in order.
See you tomorrow night. Maybe. Yeah, can I give a number 7?
Italian?
Yeah. I'm not good.
Looks like your 2nd grade teacher. Right? You're dreaming. I'm not allowed to tell you what I am. Tell him right now.
Get a b-ball arm on 7th grade, 4th grade.
This is my last thing to show. You saw it when I was
Okay, guys, sorry. He told him he was dreaming. Please, drink council. Just be cool. Be cool.
Yeah, this is your.
It's just so unfair. They don't know. They don't know that they're dreaming, and we wanted to tell them.
That's
please.
always your excuse. This is your fourth offense.
Oh.
It's safer. Back out into the real world.
No.
Back out into the real
It's
world.
so bad out
Start
there.
walking. Start walking.
Oh, I like it here.
Start
When
walking.
you fall, you're actually going to fall.
No.
You're not going to wake up.
Do it. Step. Step. Step.
Alright, looking at your resume. Yeah, I think you'd be a good fit here at Subway.
Great.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ready to start today?
I can start today. My old job fired. I was a dream character.
This kind of charisma and upbeat, this kind of upbeat emotions right now is
Okay,
exciting
right now
for
it's
Subway.
Subway?
Yeah,
Okay.
we're really excited.
Yeah, I'll take the, okay, yeah, I'll have the, ham Swiss on.
Do you want to fly?
Yeah, actually, I get a
Oh,
little
you guys
afraid
have
of heights.
gravity here, right?
Yeah, I don't know
Oh,
about
this
heights.
place sucks. Alright, what kind of sandwich do you want?
I'm just like,
What if you eat the sandwich and it tasted really weird? Has that ever happened to you when you're dreaming? God, I
I've
can't
seen
let go of
life.
my whole life.
It's the 80s. Jane Eyre. Jane Eyre's hanging out. Here's what Jane Eyre does. Jane Eyre, there's a crazy woman in the attic, for sure, for Jane Eyre. Now, she's in the foggy England.
It's the foggiest part of England.
It's foggy.
so foggy.
She's just eating an apple right now. She's got this fucked up relationship with this guy.
That guy over there.
And he just wants no piece of her.
Not right now.
And you can see it in his face. And you can see the fog. And that's where the show starts.
And she's just showing off her ankle like a hussy. Oh yeah, she wants it bad. Oh, so bad.
And then what?
Alright, so she starts off in an orphanage.
Yeah.
We cut to the orphanage.
She's like a baby in the orphanage,
She's
right?
like young and they make her stand on a chair.
Okay.
Oh, the neighbor's
It's coming back home.
Yeah.
And they're like, Jane Eyre, she's never allowed here.
You're never allowed here.
And the guy is also in the orphanage too.
Can we do Pride and Prejudice? I'm sorry. I know that one.
Yeah, we can do Pride and Prejudice.
No, we passed.
Okay. Savannah, my water. Now what? You like this? Am I gonna finally play the lead role? No, I'm too prideful.
I know. What? That's Pride and Prejudice, right?
I didn't know.
It's some of the students that had too proud, right?
Yeah,
You picked it. Yeah.
But no, it's a buddy cop where one is
It's
being
a- oh,
pride
it's a buddy
and the other
cop.
one is prejudiced. Good luck.
Okay, perfect. I don't know what we're gonna do about this. Got another one?
Well, at least the birds are here to take care of it.
This man,
Are you sure it was a bird or was it a
Chief
cat?
coming in here hot for a bride. Bride, this is Chief. God damn it, you boys, you got one more chance. The DA doesn't even want you out of the field. Last time you embarrassed me. If you don't solve this mystery of this man getting his organs picked out like Morpheus, you're out.
What, do we have to figure out how he died and who killed him? Or do we have to figure out why those
They are.
All right, tell us, Bill.
Oh,
Won't tell you, you're the
oh,
detective.
wow, you want information from me, but when I call you back, you don't want
All right,
anything.
do not bring our romantic relationship. We have a mystery to solve.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
We'll take you out Friday night. Just give us the right thing.
Shake my fingers.
Well, the fingerprints come back as paw prints, so I don't know what to make of this.
Okay, so then it's a cat, for sure.
Well, that's what I thought, but I flipped it over, and it's talons.
What is this? Some kind of cat bird creature?
So close to figuring it out. Will you give us more information?
All I can say is that the thing must have been covered in
Okay, fur, bouncing cats.
and feathers.
Another one.
I can't figure this out.
Mom, Dad, there's this big bulletin board on our living room wall with all the evidence. Why can't you solve it?
Well, sweetie, we've just been trying, but it's always like a bird and a cat, and it feels like they're fused, but that cannot be.
I'm so distracted with my dating life.
Stop dating.
I can't.
That's good.
I can't stop.
Okay with it.
So you got me.
Oh, you are grotesque. Oh my God!
told you.
It's a meow god.
It's a meow
It's a meow god. It's disgusting. Oh my God! You murdered all those men, and then you went back and ate their organs after they were dead. What's wrong with you? Do you want to go out Friday night? And that's our first time.
We're gonna take a quick break and then we'll be back with Cat's Cradle known as in Harold at the barn. We'll see you in a minute.
I'm having a crazy night.
You know I was Your what?
My wife.
Well, say like Borat.
That's
There we go. It's hers. Oh, so you want Borat? Yeah. Sorry for the joy. Actually, about this time. And I got him.
Justin.
Hi, Aaron. How are you?
Good to see you. We haven't seen each other.
I thought it was chocolate, but it's a statue. I truly, I was being shown so much food, and then I was like, chocolate factory.
And no one would have just let you eat it.
I almost took a bite.
No.
Oh, here's the nuts today? You know what? I don't want to. I just feel like
There's that cool little meal snack
that no one can eat.
that expired. I tried to offer them some of my food.
Hold on.
But I think I've seen you before. No.
Yeah.
I think it was like years ago. It was at a different theater.
Just say you want to run around. I'll sign this expired.
Sign your gift certificate.
I'm gonna go back to the
Yeah. Which son of that is 1 year and 5.
I'll try your parents. Where'd you get it? It reminds me like
Oh, yes.
and so I'm like, I'm scared.
Well, it looks like you might be moving to 48.
I remember at like this wedding.
Yeah, I got a number from this that's crazy.
All the same.
Yeah.
It's so great. It's just
So we'll see if they
I remember I had this like
49-story building. Yeah.
And I was so fulfilled. I almost went to the bathroom. It's just like, it's a strong cheese. I would normally play all about it. I'll try your thing. I don't know you. This is like, it's like, by the way, to set your expectations, it's sweeter than you think. But it's positive. I don't know what to do. I got one. At 2 a.m. tonight. What are you
By the way.
Because I've seen this good. Usually, right? And I know turkeys can be very good.
But they're in the saltwater, right? So
Well, it's too
I'm about to do the best improv of my life.
Hi, everybody. We're going to perform the Cat's Cradle for you. Clap your hands if you've never seen the Cat's Cradle. Great. Silence. Silence is death. No, great. So everyone is familiar with the Cat's Cradle. How would I describe it?
Ryan, how would you describe it?
Oh, I describe it as it's the Fibonacci sequence. Meets Skibbity Twins.
Yeah!
Put that together.
Skip it on.
Fibonacci. Cool. To help inspire our set, it's going to be weird, it's going to be lucid, it's going to be organic, and just edits. To help inspire our set, can we please think of a suggestion in your head? I'm going to count down from 3 to 1, and I want you to yell it out. Got it? 3, 2, 1.
Swordfish.
What did I hear?
Swordfish.
Swordfish. Swordfish. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Actual hacking is a lot more boring. Yeah, it's got a
So, you want to marry my daughter? The thing that I'm most concerned about is you don't know how to use a foil. If you're attacked by a knight, how will you defend your castle and your princess, my little daughter? Yes, it's 2024, but these things still happen. I dueled a man to his death just the other day. Don't look at me like that, Kyle. I did.
Hi, I work here at the aquarium, and all the fish behind me are here for you to see. I am very serious about my job, so serious about my job that I will ignore all attempts at jokes on camera or bits that you try
if I have enough faith. Shit, hold on one sec. Hold on. Hold on. No, this was supposed to be my moment. Just like give me a second.
Just a little too high at the fish show. The thing is, I've been here. Yeah, you really just chill. Everybody's super nice.
Yeah.
It's fine. That's you're gonna learn from me. Don't pay attention if you see something there. That's not real. He's not real. That's not real. You following me?
Nothing's real.
Right.
We're not real.
Yeah, right. Fish is real. That's why I wanted to take you to the show. Because I love this show.
I love you, man.
And I'm going to college next year. And so- No, you're my little brother. You can't do that.
Hey,
This is the reverse of our plan.
I got you, go. And I'm gonna eat it.
Yo, guys, that kid's got that other guy's nose. No way.
Wait,
Eat that
Brendan,
nose.
did you really take my nose off?
I do. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit.
You guys fucking with me or what?
Where's your nose?
Where's your nose, bro?
Oh shit.
You guys are so cool. We're all family at the show.
Yeah.
Me and my little brother.
You guys should come to our family reunion.
So that's
No, you should come.
That's a breach.
What happens at your family reunion?
It's so boring. But there's a barbecue, a clam bake. You guys should all come. Your family.
We don't want to hear about the
Are
climate.
you like from Connecticut or something?
Yeah. We golf and shit. It's so boring. Just give me a second, okay?
No,
just
you
give me a
have to
second,
do this.
Okay?
For our family, please.
I thought just my character was gonna be enough. You know what I mean? It was really fucking hard. Okay? Is this like an escape room thing? Like, you have to figure out a puzzle first?
I don't know.
This
but-
isn't solid stone, and I don't know what to do. This is really freaking embarrassing right now.
No,
Okay?
you don't understand. You need to be king because we just got evicted. Okay, you do
I know.
understand. You do understand. It's important.
It's the palace or nothing.
Yes.
You have awoken the other 3 heads of the 4-headed monster.
I knew it was escape room. I knew it. Okay, all right.
To open the door behind you.
You must club the floor with something.
Is that it?
Rewind you. He does the rest of the rhyme. He usually does the rest of the rhyme.
So this is my father.
This is your father?
Yes, he's the one who told me that I needed to.
There's something I need to. I also know the rest of the rhyme.
Did we envelop the stranger?
We enveloped the stranger.
I'm having a lot of short circuiting because yes, I am your father, and I was also enveloped by this monster on the weekends. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. It's just I needed to get out of the house.
I need to get the sword from the stone. So, what's the puzzle, guys? I'm ready.
Oh, only someone of pure heart.
I am. I'm a baker. I'm a hobo.
You're pure of heart. Oh yeah. Tell me about something you donated recently.
I have a lot of money to be giving away.
I bet you're one of those people who sees like someone with a clipboard and goes.
Can I ask you how many kidneys do you have?
2.
Yeah.
Hey, there are 4 of us. Guess how many kidneys we have?
I need to jump. My daughter is a lovely person, okay?
I mean,
Wonderful.
it's baseline to subscribe to Gothamist and pay for it, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, but you don't know that Archie's drawn.
Yeah, I do a lot of art.
Oh, you know who else is an artist? You know who else is an artist?
No, don't say it. Don't say it.
Don't say it! Don't say it! Don't say it! Don't say it! Don't say it!
He's a very serious guy, okay? No more jokes, y'all.
Yes. I will tell you about fish. Okay. If you would like to see
see, there's a hammerhead shark. Hammerhead shark has eyes on either side of his head and can look in two different directions.
But he's great with nails.
Yes, I don't believe so. I don't believe they have carpentry under the sea. He does not have hands to hold any type of tool, so I don't believe he would be. No, we named him Mark. So
We just named him.
MC. No, MC. I'm sorry. No, the shark is in the tank. I'm standing here. The shark is a female. No, I'm married. I have a wife at home and two lovely children. No, it's incompatible. We're two incompatible species.
Look at the shark work. He's so boring, but he's one of the best hackers I've ever seen in my life. This guy hacked into Google when he was 12. He's so boring. You wouldn't think he had it in him, but he's a killer.
Yeah, it feels mean to say it right in front of him.
He doesn't care. That's the thing. He's so boring that he would never say anything.
It's kind of cool that he works on his computer on the ground. It's like a different thing.
Yo, Shark, what are you up to? Oh my God, I can't listen.
I mean, this guy should be interesting. He cut fingers out of his fins.
Stock market.
Well, he's a shark, right?
Stock market successfully hacked. Dow Jones.
Hey man, if you can keep Apple stock pretty good, I bought way too much of that.
Open up terminal.
Okay.
System update.
So how do you know this guy?
I just work with him. He's like a living legend. But do you think that they would keep him underground or in like a corner office? But he just works out here in the lobby. He never really cared.
Oh wow.
Yo, Shark. Shark, what are you doing this weekend? Going to like a rave or something?
Are you hacking something cool? Like other than the stock market, which is boring?
Yeah, I'm hacking the grocery co-op.
The grocery co-op? What are you going to hack the grocery co-op where organic squash is?
Yeah, they banned me.
Five misshapen potatoes in your shopping cart.
I want to learn from this guy, but I can't stand him. So.
There has to be something interesting about it. Dude, how did you get banned from the co-op?
People said they didn't like me.
Okay,
Why?
Why?
Did you
You
feedback?
did something bad. You did a bad thing.
Yeah, I was just on my
Did you hack someone who worked there while you were on your computer? What were you doing?
I was shopping.
For what?
They never play this. They feel so close. I feel like I'm on stage with Trey. Let's do it. What?
Let's get on stage with Trey.
Oh, no.
No, come on, man. I
Not
want to
cool.
invite him to the clam thing.
It's not cool. You can't do
No,
this.
come on, man. Your eyebrow.
What? My brother took them. Trey just talked to me.
Trey just talked to you.
No eyebrows.
It's me, the lead banjo player.
What's your name?
Wait, we have Bella Fleck here with us tonight.
Dude.
I didn't even know Fish had so many banjo players. We could really use you in the band. I like that
Lava Fleck going solo?
That was like you are so. You're not in fish.
I'm not a fish.
No, you're just joining us on stage.
You're just like in the scene.
Yo, this weed is great.
Cool. Yeah. I want to go back. I want to go on solo. Yeah.
I mean, these are the moments in Fish concerts that I love. When they're like talking things through, and someone joins Fish. It's so cool.
Brandon, do you hear something? Brendan, little brother. You just hear like a narration kind of thing? Alright, that's just me. I agree with everything he said.
Okay, so I go under the tunnel, then that'll lead me to my next puzzle. Okay, it's a lock. I can do this. I pick locks. I know how to do this. Okay. Let's see, a little hairpin. Easy. So much better than that sword. Okay. Oh, I know this one. Yes, man. Use that. Yes!
You have once again awoken the force.
Why is it always back to you guys and my dad?
I got you a present, sweetheart.
Is it the answer to this puzzle?
Maybe.
Oh
We're
my God.
really taking a liking to your dad.
Yeah.
He's a pretty cool
He
dude.
took us up to your family cabin.
You took him to the cabin, Dad?
Well, we're part of a unit now.
And thanks to him, we have 2 more kidneys, so we're back to drinking.
Both your kidneys, Dad?
I'm
Well,
part of it.
Yeah.
It's-
It's all the same system.
System,
It's all the
yeah.
same
I
system.
wonder why we're doing this. We need to lower Dr.
Oh, we worked hard.
Oh, and it's only made of very fragile glass.
Oh, it better be fully intact.
It's a smaller sword and a smaller stone.
I thought you could practice.
Are you kidding me?
It's for the minder of heart. Dear Lord! Dear Lord! Okay, all right.
I'm 87 and I could pull it.
Go ahead, do it, Dad.
Okay?
God, maybe you're the pure part. Maybe you're the one who gets the sword out.
No. That was the sort of mediocre of heart. The other one is pure of heart.
Yeah,
This is a smaller sword.
So I'm not even mediocre?
Not even close, apparently.
You're destined for greater.
Greater?
Well, I'm still.
You guys need a second to get
Yeah,
along?
look, I'm hedging my bets that she can do this.
Okay, all right, guys, quick slumber. Okay, all right. As the swords get smaller, what happens?
They become more minor in terms of your heart.
Okay, all right. That's what we agreed on,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
I'm not
She
crazy.
can't, no, she can't do this yet.
Right.
Yeah, but perhaps it can be bigger.
Fish.
Hey! Why don't you have a little more charisma when you talk about this?
I'm sorry, I didn't realize that you guys were all having some sort of intervention for me this afternoon. I assumed I was just
Oh,
coming
man,
into
it's
the...
not an intervention. It's just some of us wanted to have a conversation. We're not trying to come down on you,
We
man.
thought you could use more confidence.
I have confidence.
They're making fun of you out
Who
there.
was making fun of me?
They're busting your
That
balls.
dude went in the tank. I think he's gonna die.
I don't believe I can.
He thinks he's talking to the
You better go up and get some oxygen. Go, yeah, go get some oxygen.
He's having like a death dream.
Okay, good. Big
He's
breath.
still not out of the tent yet. He really has to go maybe 10 feet higher.
Jeez.
Oh, but he just went back down.
Well, you know what? My whole life has been about you. And so I
Wait,
guess...
don't speak. You're going to waste it all. Oh, give it now. Oh, no. Give it back to now. Give it
This
back.
is the man I slain! This is the man that tried to come into my home! and sell me a security system. I only need one security system, my foil.
You didn't need to slay him.
Sweet Annie, my daughter. I must slay everyone to protect your sweet and tender hearts. Now,
I just wanted to ask for a hand in marriage.
hand in marriage? Why were you trying to sell me security systems, boy? It's another knife. I've married multiple knives.
That's my job, sir. I'm a security systems salesperson.
Let's action.
It's more. Oh, my favorite J. Crew shirt. Oh my God! You can only get this during the fall sale.
You're a horrible person.
I'm not a
You'll
horrible-
never get that sword out of that stone. It's only for the kindest of hearts.
I have tons of swords. I don't need more
I'm-
swords. Swords? Look at all these swords I've got.
I know. But you don't have the one true sword.
And here's one sword that just walks itself.
Oh my gosh. That's amazing. Sorry, I don't get fish. So this isn't gonna work.
The whole fish?
The whole fish.
Yo, look at Shark. He's hitting on somebody.
And, yeah.
Yo, fish. I mean, Shark. Go for it. Yeah.
Shark, you got
My friend got me kind of interested during the song, and
Yo, Shark. Be into it. Be encouraging.
be confident.
Act this. Come on.
I know, and I can't. Shark! Shark!
Wait, I got this.
Hack her
I got
heart!
this. Hi, what's your name? Elena, this is my friend Shark. He has to keep moving underwater or else he stops.
Oh my God! He has no charisma.
Look, he's even wheeling around his computer with him.
MC, come back.
No, Shark, back into reality. Stop. Don't retreat. Stay in the present.
He can eat up to 3 times his own body weight in a single
MC,
day.
come on.
He's a shark and a half.
Hey, let me ask you something.
I fell asleep, I'm sorry.
Wait,
Why are you falling asleep? Are you not serious about this? No, I'm serious.
No, Shark, stay in the world. Shark, no. Hey.
You think you're just meeting me for the first time?
Hi, hello. My name's Shark.
Yeah, I know.
You ever eat? Yeah, that's good.
Yes. Yes, I
One time, I hacked into.
Finish the
Have you
finish,
guys
Shark.
noticed, ever since that hacker guy left, we're missing 5 potatoes every week?
Yeah. I hacked into like my computers and inside the genome.
Wait, I'm looking at it. I have 1 potato here. I got 2 potatoes here.
Yeah,
I got 3 potatoes here.
yeah, we usually have at least 8 potatoes.
Let me keep counting because we could just have 8.
Oh,
4 potatoes here.
well, that's, you know,
5 potatoes here. 6. Oh, I hope this is 2. No, it's only 7.
dude.
2. Well, 1 potato.
Thank you all so much for coming
We have an Instagram, same thing, catscradleimprov.com, and we are gonna go hang out